Flowering perennials that grow to great heights are a quick and easy way to establish a natural privacy screen, cover up an unsightly fence, or provide a stunning backdrop for other smaller plants. There are species that may reach heights of 6 feet or more, which when in bloom will make your garden seem limitless. Number 1. Perennial Hibiscus. Despite its exotic appearance, the native perennial hibiscus can survive even the coldest winters. The stalks of this huge plant can tower over your landscape, and at the end of them are flowers as wide as 12 inches that come in colors like red, pink, and white. Once it finally appears in the spring, however, it expands rapidly. Zones 5 to 10 are suitable for perennial hibiscus. Number 2. Oriental Lily. Grow Oriental lilies for a beautiful and aromatic living screen. Easily growing to a height of 4 to 6 feet, these stunning plants bloom with massive blooms of red, pink, and white. Because of their large size and delicate design, the cut flowers will create very striking bouquets. Oriental flowers live in zone 4 to 8. Number 3. Pye Weed. Pye Weed is a great plant for drawing butterflies to your yard. It's a native perennial that can take a beating and yet thrive in your garden. In the late summer, the plant is covered in a sea of pink blossoms that attract butterflies for their nectar. The hardiness zone range for Pye Weed is 3 to 10. Number 4. Delphinium. Use delphiniums to create beautiful flower bouquets. This summer garden staple features towering flower spikes in a rainbow of colors, including blue, purple, white, and pink. While the tallest species can reach 6 feet, smaller gardens can benefit from dwarf versions. Remove faded flowers to encourage a new blooming. In hardiness zones 3 to 7, delphiniums can thrive. Number 5. Herbstonne Black-Eyed Susan. The easy care, heat, and drought-tolerant Herbstonne Black-Eyed Susan will offer a jolt of sunny yellow to the back of the border. This tall-flowered perennial can grow up to 6 feet tall and features showy blossoms from midsummer to early fall. The hardiness zone range for Herbstonne Black-Eyed Susan is 3 to 10. Number 6. Boltonia. Boltonia would look great as a border along your backyard fence. This endemic to North America resembles a 6-foot-tall aster, but is rarely utilized in landscaping. In the fall, when it's covered in showy white or pink blossoms, it puts on quite a display. Sunlight or partial shade and well-drained soil are required for plant growth. Areas 4 through 8 are ideal for Boltonia. Number 7. Goatsbeard. Use Goatsbeard to add color and texture to shady areas that are otherwise difficult to landscape. With its finely split leaves and early summer plumes of creamy white blooms, this interesting plant is reminiscent of a big alstilbe. Soil that is moist but drains well and full or partial shade are required for optimal growth. Zones 3 to 7 are ideal for growing Goatsbeard. Number 8. Queen of the Prairie. The tall pink, fragrant blossoms of the Queen of the Prairie will provide a festive mood to your landscape. This native wildflower, sometimes known as meadowsweet, has dark green, toothed foliage that works well as an accent for the flowers and as a stunning backdrop for other perennials. The optimal climate for this plant is zone 3 through 9. Number 9. Cup plant. From June to early October, cup plant towers over the plains of North America with its golden daisies atop robust 8-foot-tall stems. The upper leaves are attached and clasp the stem to form a cup that can be used to store water for animals and birds. The optimal climate for this plant is Zone 3 through 9. Number 10. Plume Poppy. Plume Poppy is a spectacular perennial that makes a bold impression with its large, tropical-looking leaves and soaring clusters of blooms. Take care as it spreads rapidly and demands a sizable planting area. The optimal growing range for this plant is Zones 3 to 8. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.